Hello, everybody. Today, let us continue our discussion on stages of child development under the title Stages of Human Growth and Development. In the previous lesson, we have studied about stages of child development at prenatal. In the today's session, let us discuss about stages of child development at infancy, that is birth to 2 years. Here, let us take the first one, physical development during infancy. The following development in the body of the child takes place. Those are the first one, the stage of child is very important. This stage is very important. During this period, the child is quite tender. He solely depends upon its parents for food and other necessities for existence. Second point, the entire structure of the body starts functioning and sort of balance comes in the various organs of the body. Future health of the child depends upon the foundation that is laid down during this stage. It is therefore necessary that nutritive food should be provided to it. Third point, it is during this period that the child starts playing. This gives to exercise of the body. Now, physical development during infancy is over, and the second one, the second main is important. That is a psychological development during the infancy. Man is psychosocial being. In order to understand the development of the child properly, we shall have to understand the relationship between the development of the body and the development of the mind. Now, let us see the first point, development of the, that is very important, development of the language. Since the very birth, the child is able to cry and make noise. After a few months, its power creates certain meaningless sounds by hearing certain big words and sounds. Second point, feeling of love or sex in the child. Modern psychoanalysis are of the view that feeling of love in the child is solely depend upon the sex feeling or the sex instinct. The sex feeling of the child is purely guided by the self-interest of the infant. It loves almost all organs of the body. The child is not able to adjust himself with the environment. That is the third point. The child is not able to adjust himself with the environment. During infancy, the child wants to have the complete control of the attention of its parents and other member of the society. It is not able to adjust itself according to the environment. Now, fourth point, emotional development of the child. During this period, the emotional development of the child is based on instincts. Emotions develop with the growth in age. At the age of 2 or 3 years, emotions like anger, hatred, wonder, fear, love, etc. Fifth point, phase of solitary play. Infancy is a period when the child wants to be engrossed in solitary play. It does not like the company of others. So these are the changes, a combination of growth and development changes during infancy, that is birth to 2 years. Hope you got the information, and in the next class let us discuss about stages of child development at 2 years to 11 years, that is childhood period. Thank you. Be safe.